Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss the chapter The Tiger King. The Tiger King is written by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy, pen name Kalki. He was born on 9 September 1899. He was a Tamil writer. Now let's discuss the chapter. The Tiger King is the story of King Jangjang Bahadur of Pratibandhapuram, a brave warrior whose death had been predicted when he was born. The chief astrologer had predicted as the royal child was born in the nakshatra of the bull. The tiger being its enemy, death would come to the child by a tiger. The brave prince asked all tigers to beware of him. He came to be known as Tiger King. The prince became king at the age of 20 and considering killing a cow in self-defense to be lawful, went on a tiger killing spree. He was warned of danger from the 100th tiger that he encountered, as all the tigers in his kingdom had been killed by him, but still he had to kill more. He married into a state having a large population of tigers. When his killings reached 99, he desperately sought the next hunt. Fearing the king's harshness, the minister planted an old tiger in the forest for him to kill. The tiger king fired at it, but the tiger escaped the bullet. The royal hunters feared the king and so did not inform him, rather, they killed the beast themselves. Now the king was satisfied that he had evaded death and now celebrated his son's third birthday. He got a wooden toy tiger as a gift for the prince. Although it was poorly done, the shopkeeper, fearing punishment under the rules of emergency, charged a high price. As both the king and his son were playing with the wooden tiger, one of the thin pieces of wood that were erupting out of the wooden tiger like feathers pierced the king's right hand. The wound became infectious, spread through his arm, and as he was being operated upon, he died. So, ironically, the 100th tiger killed the king and eventually took its revenge. Through this chapter, the writer wants to say that this is a story about the transience of life and power. It is a satire on the conduct of the people in power. It is found that most of the time the rulers are not interested and bothered about working for public welfare. Rather, they spend their time in foolish things. Thank you and have a nice day.